So we're here at CES 2013, and who are you?
I'm Vlad, I'm CEO of Yota Devices, and our company recently launched information about our product YotaPhone. And this is quite unique phone. It's on a first look, it's Android device, but we introduced electronic paper display on the back side of the phone, and also developed a certain number of applications which substantially change the user experience and the way users interact with the smartphones.
So you make customizations on top of Android?
No, we actually develop SDK on top of Android. We don't touch the Android itself. But using those API, you can either migrate the current available applications on the backside of the phone, or you can develop new applications for the electronic paper display.
So this is an early prototype, but can you already show some of the
Yes, I can.
features?
Well, there are kind of 5 basic scenarios. One is when you're running out of battery. And the current smartphones, if you're like using maps to find the locations, and if you're running out of battery, you might be in a very difficult situation when the phone goes off. So with our device, when you make one quick gesture, you can put the map on the back side of the phone, and it stays there, even if the battery is completely off.
Nice. So what gesture was that? What do you do?
It just was a 2-finger gesture from the top down. For example, I can show you once again with another scenario, where we have a boarding pass, for example. We have a boarding pass. You can make one quick gesture, and it's placing boarding pass on the back side of the phone. And the beauty of electronic paper display technology is that the image stays there as long as you need it. And
It stays forever?
Yeah.
Nice. So can you tilt a little bit? So how many prototypes do you have? Is this very few?
We have about 50 prototypes.
50 prototypes, and what is your plan for mass production? When? How soon?
Well, we are targeting Q3 this year for Russia and few European countries, and we are targeting end of the year for the North American markets. But it all depends on how fast we can make a deal with mobile carriers.
So how much weight does it add to have e-ink on the backside?
What do you mean with the weight in terms of
weight?
grams? It's definitely at a few grams, but I don't remember the exact number.
Very few, right?
Yeah, very few grams.
I mean, this feels like a normal phone, does it?
Yeah, you can try it. It's just
and
the phone is actually 140 grams, and it's plus minus. We are still working on reducing maybe 5 grams less and make it a little lighter, but that's the target, 140.
So that's your main phone right now? Right?
Yeah, that's the only phone we're working on. It's the main phone.
Your phone? You use this as your phone?
I use it. Well, I use it as much as I can because it's still first prototype. It's been like 3 weeks since we took it out of factory.
And so do you experience that the battery life is longer? Because
it's definitely, for the reading experience, for certain application, for certain scenarios, it's definitely much longer than LCD display.
All right. What kind of LCD are you using?
Well, you mean what kind of applications for LCD? For EPD?
It's just a 4-inch, or what is this?
4.3 inch.
4.3 inch?
It's both LCD and EPD display. It's 4.3 inch.